How to delete your Facebook birthday date. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Facebook birthday date. Now, to do so, head over to Facebook and go to profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find on the screen. You can either do it this way or tap on the three-line icon that you can find on the top right of your screen, and here go to profile by tapping on the profile. Either way, head over to your profile and click on edit profile. Once here, scroll down and click on edit your about info. Once you do this, if you scroll down, you'll be able to get an option called basic info. Click on edit. Now, you can't actually change or delete your Facebook birthday date, but you can set it to private. If you change your birthday date to public or friends of friends or friends, or you can set it to only me and no one will be able to look at your birthday date. You can set it to only me by tapping on only me, and you can set your birthday year to only me too. This way you can hide your Facebook birthday date from others, but you can't delete it. Hope this was helpful. Hope you liked the video. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.